This is the calf raise. This exercise builds the strength of the muscles that help you push off in walking and running. First, use a wall or a sturdy chair for balance. Count 1, 2, 3 seconds on the way up. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly count 1, 2, 3 on the way down. Lift your heels off the ground as high as you can while keeping your knees straight. For greater intensity, you can try the single leg calf raise. This is done by shifting weight to one foot and lifting the opposite foot. Then lift your heel off the ground as high as you can while keeping your knee straight. If you feel any sharp pain, please stop and consult your podiatrist. Otherwise, please perform these exercises as often as your podiatrist has recommended.